So this is for part one. We're going to do part two, and I'm just going to tell you when you need to pause the video. So for part one, you want to make sure that you are on 2.1, motionless objects. You can also see that the objects have different masses. So object A is the lightest and object D is the heaviest. So it's going from lightest or smallest mass to heaviest. So we are going to prepare for 48 newtons to all of the objects, and we're going to hit them all at the same time. And we're just going to observe how these different objects' velocities change. So we can see how mass is affecting the object. So as we see, it seemed like A went the fastest, and then D went the slowest. To have data for our questions, we are actually going to go right here. So looking here, you can see the change in velocity. So object A changed 8, object B changed 4, C had a change of 2, and D had a change of 1. I would recommend right now pausing the video on this screen so that way you can complete the chart. So now you should be able to answer questions 2 through 5. We're now going to move on to part 2.1, moving objects. So once again, you can pause if you still need to see the chart or rewind. So same setup where we're going from A is the lightest, D is the heaviest. Now they are moving to the left. So we are going to go to run, pause to prepare the force, and same thing where we're giving 4 to each side. So everything is staying constant except for the mass, and we're going to see how the change of mass is affecting the velocity. So as you see, once again, A moved fast, B second fast, C stopped because it became a balance force, and D slowed down but did not stop moving in its original direction. So to give you those data points again, you had the same change. So the same velocity change. So A was 8, B is 4, C is 2, and D is 1. So once again, you can now pause. This should be all of the simulation that you need to be able to answer the questions for these labs.